about you?
My name is Glory Angela.
It's nice to meet you,
Thank
Glory.
you so much.
Okay, so you are here at the Restore Business Clinic.
Yes.
What's the name of your own business?
June.NT.
Okay.
It's a tote bag brand where I design the tote bags, and I also collect people's designs and make the tote bags for them. So I have people working under me. I have my tailor, and I have someone that customizes for me. So I also do the retailing aspects of the business. So for now, it's still nano, like it's a one-man business for me.
That's really interesting and intriguing. So what have you learned today?
Well, to be honest, I've learned quite a lot, and a lot of things stood out for me. But one of the things I've learned is how to optimize my business. That's search engine optimization, and that has to do with like adding keywords to my description. And I have my business on Google already, so I think I could actually go back home and adjust that and work on that aspect of optimization. So.
Amazing, thank you so much.
Bye.
Good afternoon.
I am Angel. How about you?
I'm Hester.
Nice to meet you, Ma.
Same here.
So you are here at the Restore Business Clinic. What's the name of your own business?
Ajuk's Fashion.
Great. Tell me about your business.
I'm into fashion designing. I sell both male and female dresses.
Great.
I also sell boxers, shorts, and some other things that like I know that one can just wear. Like did I say ready-made?
For a date?
Yes.
Or an evening dinner?
Yes, something like that. And I also sell materials. I sell like Ankara fabrics. I sell fabrics. Ankara fabrics, plain and pattern, and some other fabrics.
It's okay. So what was your favorite part of the event?
Well, I enjoyed the part of branding and also the data literacy.
Great.
Yes, I also enjoyed the part.
So what do
I don't have idea of especially data literacy. I don't have the idea before. Yes, so I come to I had idea.
Okay. So is there anything you hope to implement?
Yes, the data literacy, the bookkeeping as well. I also enjoy the part, and also the branding. Yes, I enjoy the part. It's just that I don't know how I'm going to go about it presently. Because I've been trying to balance my business with my family, with work and some other hindrances.
Anyways, it's okay. You will find a way around it, and you could contact us any day.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Daddy. I am Angel. Can I know your name, sir?
My name is Michael.
Okay, so did you enjoy the business clinic today?
Yes, I did.
And what did you learn today, sir?
I learned so many things.
Okay.
Like knowing the way of registration, the business, and how I will try to be able to know the actual thing to do. So I learned that.
You learned that.
Yes.
Wow. I'm so glad to hear that. Okay, you want to tell me more?
Well, secondly, on the other hand, concerning the tax and this thing again,
Okay.
I asked from the man.
Okay.
That, is it possible or we retirees should pay tax? He explained everything to me.
And you understood it.
And I understood it.
Thanks so much, Daddy. Have a wonderful day.